Welcome to ChatLooper.com, your ultimate platform for customer connection. Here, you can choose any plan that best suits you as per your requirement. After clicking the Sign Up button, you can register your organization. Once you're logged in, you can view your dashboard. This shows all your key analytics and data statistics. You can also manage your chat settings and customize themes according to your preferences. Now, this is the main playground which helps you in building up chat flows. In the chat flow interface, start creating a new chat flow. You can use various message types such as media, list, accumulate forms, and much more. Just drag and drop from the sidebar to the interface, set up and connect their ends. You just made a chat flow. That's simple. Once you're done, save your chat flow. And then this will be your final step. You can copy this script and paste in the website where you want to onboard your chat. Here's how your customers can interact with AI-powered agents. Using flow-based automation, the system instantly understands user queries and responds intelligently. Whether it's support, guidance, or quick answers, everything happens in real time. No delays, no manual effort.